Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yoli at kung bago ka man dito sa aking YouTube channel, it's welcome. At kung nagbabalik ka naman dito sa aking YouTube channel, it's welcome back. So for today's video ay continuation ng aming Indochina tour, which is again Vietnam, Cambodia, and Thailand. And I already uploaded the first part, which is sa Vietnam. Kaya kung hindi mo pa yun napapanood, go ahead and panoorin mo muna yon before watching this video. And as usual, gagawin ko ulit na montage ang video na ito kasi one day lang namin sa Cambodia. Kaya konti lang ang clip na meron ako dito. Lahat ng mga napuntahan namin sa isang araw ay papakita ko din sa inyo. So, ganun pa din, details will be posted on the description part of this video. So there, if you are interested with this kind of content, just keep on watching. Hi guys! So, andito na kami sa Cambodia and ito ang room namin. So, mag-room tour tayo. Yan, meron na siyang TV. As you can see, meron na din siyang mirror doon. Yan. And meron din siyang mini ref. Tapos, meron na siyang cabinet. Oh! Meron pa siyang vault and CR. Time check, it's 4:30 and as you can see, nakapila na kami for our ticket. Take note everybody na wala kaming binayaran na entrance fee dito. And yes, maaga kami para sana ma-witness namin ang sunrise. Pero sadly, hindi kami pinalad. Ayan po guys ang mga napuntahan namin dito sa Thailand for 2 days. And mamayang 2 AM na din po ang flight namin. So magdi-dinner cruise po muna kami before going back to Manila. By the way, ang cruise po na ito is optional. Depende po sa iyo kung gusto mong mag-join or hindi. And it is 1,100 baht per head. That is 1,833 pag sa peso. Ayan po guys ang aming Indochina tour, and again na-upload ko na po ang first part which is sa Vietnam, and all the details po and pangalan po ng mga temples na pinuntahan namin will be posted on the description box. Ayan, babalik na po kami ng Manila, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please do consider subscribing on this channel as well. Bye!